What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another garage video, and we are finally gonna stop procrastinating and swap engines in the new build. So we did finish our new engine. Hopefully you guys enjoy that video, and now we're ready to swap it. And if things go good, we'll get to fire this thing up today in this video. We're just going to do time lapse just to keep this nice and quick for you guys, and we might do a separate video because we're also going to be putting a brand new radiator in this girl from B&R Motorsports, the Trash Panda or Raccoon Racing. I believe it's Raccoon Racing triple pass radiator. We got one of those. It's a really nice piece of equipment from B&R. We're going to pop that in here as well, and then we got some beautiful new radiator shrouds to help cool it from Pierce Performance. So we'll show you guys that. But today's mission is to pull the engine out of this girl and put the new engine in. We'll show you the new one quickly. So you can see right here, there's the new one. So that's the plan. Let's get to work. All right, guys, we got it done. We're ready to fire her up. We did just cycle her a couple times with the tether switch out just to get some oil pressure and some oil up and through the top end, and also to try to cycle the coolant. I will have to just top off the coolant once it runs for a minute. It was literally like exactly 3 hours removing the old engine, putting the new one in. I did take a little more time because I had a brand new radiator I had to set up, and I did like a little separate video on that. So we'll just call it 3 hours. Not horrible, so we'll take it. We do still need to put the chain on, but I need to change my rear sprocket and sprocket guard, so I'm just going to do that after. But let's fire this girl up. Open the garage so we don't smoke ourselves out with carbon. Luckily we do have a full fresh tank of race fuel, so we don't have to worry about that. This machine, we do need to run race fuel with the high compression. We are running 24 volts as well. This thing is pretty much optimized and programmed to perform better on 24 volts, so we're just going to give her a fire. We will pull the choke. It is cold. Where is she? Top off the coolant. Bring you guys outside just for a second so you can hear me. So we're just going to let this run. We're going to do the first heat cycle. We're going to let it run till the fan comes on. Then we're going to shut her down, check the oil. We'll add oil if needed. And I just topped off the coolant, so that should be good to go. But she sounds good. First fire was a success. No issues, thank God. But let you hear her. We'll also go around and make sure nothing's leaking, but I think we're pretty good. So we're gonna let her cool down for a while, and then start her up again a little later, and then do a second heat cycle. We'll just check the coolant. But that's the end of this one, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Stay tuned. It's gonna be a little bit before we get this girl out for a ride. We got snow, as you can see, and we're not gonna beat this girl up in the snow. We're gonna wait till probably April. Some of our local motocross tracks should open, so hopefully by April we can get our first ride on this engine and break it in. But we'll do a few heat cycles, and that's it. So make sure you guys give me a thumbs up. That helps a ton. Drop some comments, let me know what you think, and if you're not yet, please subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. All right, peace.